Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are from Group 7 and we will be explaining about the HACCP and the halal issues regarding the product that we have developed as a requirement for the subject food safety and regulation. The product that we have successfully developed is Vegan Mochi Ice Cream called Mochipops. We developed this product especially to people who want a healthy choice for dessert. Our presentation will include the introduction of our product, the production process, and HACCP for raw materials and production process. The possible religiously prohibited substances that used in our product is overlay. Overlay is an emulsifier used as a stabilizer to prevent the separation of oil and water component, as well as providing our product smooth texture and increase the shelf life. This emulsifier is made up of monoglyceride, polyglycerol, sorbitol, or clean alcohol, artisan, and cotton. Another issue is when the ingredients like monoglyceride and polyglycerol are derived from non-halal animals and the slaughtering process. Therefore, it is crucial to ensure that ingredients used in the overlay are poison-free and derived from animals that underwent Sharia compliance slaughtering process.
Next, I am going to break on the raw materials used in the making of vegan mochi ice cream. Basically, our products are made of several nutritional ingredients including coconut milk, mango, guava, sucralose, agar powder, vanilla essence, overlay, water, salt, glutinous rice flour, and daily super green. Moving on to the next part is on the flowchart of the production of our vegan mochi ice cream. So basically, there are 9 steps involved in the production, followed by 9 recipes and HCPs. So the steps for making our products begin with the removal of the skins and also seeds of both guava and mangoes, and then followed by the blending of the guava and mango, and then heating of coconut milk, sucralose, overlay, vanilla essence, agar powder, and salt. And then we have to combine the coconut milk base with the blended fruits and then churn them in the ice cream machine. After that, we have to freeze the churned ice cream in sphere modes and then mix glutinous rice flour, coconut milk, water, sucralose, and daily super grains. The next step is by microwaving the mochi dough mixture and then kneading of the mochi dough and wrapping of the mochi dough around the frozen ice cream, and then we have to store it in cold, and then finally we have to pack the mochis in individual mochi ice cream plastic packaging.
And now we move to the Halal Critical Point and Critical Control Point for raw materials that we use during development of product. Firstly, halal certification is very crucial to verify that all raw materials are halal certified. This certification ensures that no non-halal substances are present and adhering strictly to halal dietary laws. Next, cross-contamination prevention. We ensure that all handling, storage, and processing areas comply with halal guidelines. This prevents any inadvertent mixing or contamination with non-halal items, maintaining the purity of our products. Next, cleanliness and hygiene. We maintain strict hygiene practices in our product. According to halal standards, we use only clean and halal compliant equipment and utensils throughout our entire production process. For critical control point during handling raw materials, the first one, storage and handling. We ensure all raw materials are stored under proper conditions to prevent spoilage and contamination. Secondly, quality inspection. We regularly inspect all raw materials for quality, ensuring they are free from spoilage, impurities, and physical contaminants. Thirdly, sanitation. We always sanitize utensils, equipment, and surfaces during preparation and processing to avoid microbial contamination. And lastly, precise measurement. We always accurately measure and use ingredients according to the recipe to prevent health risks and maintain product consistency.
foods. For example, clean all knives, blender, and other utensils with soap. Next, wash hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds and dry with a clean towel or paper towel. CCP2, checking fruits for spoilage or contamination ensures that only quality fruits are used, reducing the risk of introducing pathogens or toxins into the production process. We visually inspect each food process of mold, bruising, or any unusual odors and discard any food that shows signs of spoilage. Step 2. Blending of topping guava and mango. HACCP using equipment that is free from non-halal residues ensures the product remains halal compliant. CCP1. Clean blending equipment prevents microbial contamination from previous batches or residual organic matter. We disassemble blending equipment and clean all parts with hot water and soap and rinse all parts thoroughly and air dry or use a clean towel. CCP2. Conducting the blending process in a clean environment minimizes the risk of contamination from airborne particles or nearby surface. We ensure the blending area is free from dust and debris. Use protective covers over the blender and ingredients when not in use. Regularly clean the blending area, including counters and floors.
So now we move on to the third step, which is heating of coconut milk, sucralose, ovalate, vanilla essence, and salt. So for the halal critical point, we have to make sure that all the equipments and utensils are clean from the non-halal residues. And next, we have to verify all the ingredients, and this ingredients verification is important for us to make sure that all the ingredients are halal certified and not coming from non-halal source. So next, for the critical control point is the temperature control. We have to monitor the heating process closely to ensure all the ingredients all dissolve and to prevent microbial growth. And we have to use the calibrated thermometers to maintain the required temperatures. And next is the mixing. We have to stir all the mixture continuously to ensure the even heating and proper dissolution of all of the ingredients. So that's all from me.
The fourth step is combining the coconut milk base with the blended fruits and churning them in the ice cream machine. The halal critical point is a residue-free equipment, which is verifying that the churning machine is clean and free from any non-halal residue. The critical control point is sanitized equipment, which is ensuring the ice cream machine churning machine is properly sanitized before use to prevent contamination. Next is process control, which is monitoring the churning process to ensure the mixture is evenly combined and reach the desired consistency. The next step is freezing the churned ice cream in sphere molds. The halal critical point is clean equipment, which ensuring that the molds and the freezing equipment are clean and meeting the halal standards and avoiding cross-contamination with non-halal items. The critical control point is temperature maintenance, which is maintaining the freezing temperature consistently to avoid microbial growth and using calibrated thermometers to monitor the temperature. Next is hygiene, which is ensuring molds are clean and sanitized before use.
For the step 6, we'll mixing of glutinous rice flour, coconut milk, water, sucralose, and daily super greens. For halal critical point, first, verify that all ingredients are halal certified. This includes checking the certification and sourcing from reputable suppliers. Second, ensure that the mixing equipment is free from non-halal residues. For the critical control point, ensure ingredients are thoroughly mixed to maintain consistency and prevent any lumps that could lead to contamination. Any unmixed lump could lead to uneven texture and potentially harbor contaminants. Second, use clean and sanitized mixing equipment to prevent contamination. This prevents the introduction of contaminants that could spoil the product or pose health risks.
Hi, my name is Nur Izzadanam Tizamri with metric number 1211221. I will continue on the production process number 7, microwaving the mochi dough mixture. So moving on the halal critical point. So halal critical point to ensure that the microwave used for heating the mochi dough is dedicated solely to halal ingredient and has not been in contact with non-halal food. So as we know, microwave has been used to warm up many types of food, including the haram food. So we need to dedicate it that microwave is only to heat the halal food. And for the critical control point, We need to monitor the microwaving process closely at medium power, around 50 until 70% of power for intervals of 30 seconds to 1 minute. Stirring the mochi dough between each interval to ensure even heating and achieve the desired texture.
Now I will explain regarding the step 8 regarding kneading mochi dough, wrapping mochi dough around frozen ice cream and storing it in the freezer. Alright, for the first part is kneading of the mochi dough. For the halal critical point, we need to verify all of ingredients used in the mochi dough are halal certified, and the for critical control point, we need to ensure the proper hygiene practice while handling the dough. So, next is wrapping mochi dough around frozen ice cream. For the halal critical point, we need to separate the utensils and equipment used for handling non-halal ingredients and halal ingredients to prevent cross-contamination with the mochi dough. And then, the critical control point is to maintain the proper freezing temperature for the ice cream core to avoid any microbial contamination that can cause foodborne illness. Last, storing the mochi ice cream in the freezer. For the halal critical point, we need to ensure physical separation of halal mochi ice cream from non-halal items in the freezer. And the critical control points, we need to maintain the proper storage temperature throughout the cold chain to ensure the product safety and quality.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. I am Nur Amirah binti Tamami. My metric number is 1211171. So today I will talk about steps 9 for packaging of the mochis in individual mochi ice cream plastic packaging. Okay, for the packaging, its halal critical point is ensure the plastic packaging materials are halal certified, as they may contain additives from non-halal sources like animal fat. For its critical control point, it is to ensure the packaging area is clean and sanitized to prevent microbial contamination. Second, for its halal critical point is to verify the packaging materials are not contaminated with non-halal substances during production, storage or transportations. And for its CCP is ensure the packaging materials are intact and free from defects to prevent contamination and maintain quality. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.